Put a cup of yogurt in a bowl.
A spoonful of celery.
1 teaspoon of cumin powder.
Add a teaspoon of salt.
1 tablespoon of coriander powder. 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of hot spice powder. Half a spoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Half a spoon of yolk color. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Add an egg. Mix the juice of 2 lemons. Mix. 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic paste, and make my net. Chicken, catch me? Tie the legs with thread. Rest for a night. Place the chicken in a frying pan, add the mixture, cover, and cook. Cook aside. Flip and steam. Fry in hot oil. Decorate with salad. Mashallah.